The Cosmopolitan Casino in Las Vegas is a name that frequently pops up in conversations about luxury accommodations on the Strip, and after sifting through countless reviews on platforms like Google, TripAdvisor, and Booking.com, it's easy to see why. This hotel has a reputation that precedes it, but like any property, it has its highs and lows. Let's dive into what makes the Cosmopolitan a standout and where it might fall short for some travelers. First off, the location is unbeatable. Situated right in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip, the Cosmopolitan offers easy access to some of the city's most iconic landmarks, including the Bellagio fountains and the Miracle Mile shops. Its central positioning makes it a prime spot for exploring the city, whether you're in town for business, pleasure, or a bit of both. Many reviewers rave about the convenience of being able to walk to nearby attractions, and the views from the hotel are nothing short of spectacular. Rooms with balconies overlooking the Strip are a highlight, offering a front-row seat to the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas. The rooms themselves are a major selling point. Spacious, modern, and stylish, they're designed to impress. Guests frequently mention the high-end finishes, comfortable bedding, and sleek bathrooms. The terraces, especially, are a standout feature, with many travelers describing them as the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring or gambling. However, some reviews point out that the room prices can be steep, and while the luxury is undeniable, it might not feel like the best value for those on a tighter budget. When it comes to dining, the Cosmopolitan doesn't disappoint. The hotel boasts an impressive array of restaurants, ranging from casual eateries to fine dining options. Foodies will appreciate the variety, with standout mentions for celebrity chef-led establishments like Momofuku and STK. The buffet also receives praise for its quality and selection, though some note that it can feel overpriced compared to other options on the Strip. The casino itself is a hub of activity, with a lively atmosphere and a wide range of games to choose from. While some guests love the energy and the upscale vibe, others find it overwhelming, especially if they're not avid gamblers. The noise level in the casino and surrounding areas can be a downside for those seeking a quieter experience.